Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Aston Martin of Boston, we have the 2007 Lamborghini Gallardo Spyder. This one is the E-Gear, which I'll go into how that's like around town. I do believe these are carbon ceramics. Oh yeah, carbon ceramic brakes. 99% sure there's an exhaust on this because it is dumb loud. It does have a nice carbon fiber body kit, which that front bumper is low. I mean, that is very, very low. But it's all plastic underneath, so if you hear it scrape, it's not scraping the carbon. Hop inside. All right. I'll do windows up for this. Just to kind of help with the wind noise. No, it's not going to matter much. All right, so like I said, this one's the E-Gear. Still got a parking brake as per usual. Nice carbon fiber accents, especially on the wheel. Best way to avoid eating the clutch, the 2004s had a different gearbox. This one's of course the pre-LP. So to avoid kind of burning up the clutch excessively, stoplights you want to sit in neutral, and you also want to be in sport mode just because it's going to engage the clutch a little bit faster. But you'll see, it's not afraid of the clutch. You'll also know when you upshift, lift off the gas. Drive this as if it was a manual gearbox. It's just gonna make shifts a little bit smoother. It's really gonna make it a much better experience. See, when you lift, it makes it a lot smoother. You might want to lift on downshifts too. There's not a lot of cars that make me nervous while driving them. This is one of them. I am on edge. But that is such a good thing. This is so much more raw than the Huracan. The Huracan, you can get in and drive like a normal car. This thing, you know you're in something special the whole time. There's people out there that say the pre-LP Gallardo is the better sounding. They're right. They messed with the firing order when they did the LP generation. To the point where it completely changed the sound of the engine. And while that generation does sound phenomenal, it is nothing compared to this. This is just a pure V10 screech. Gah. Those bumpy roads are awful. The ride's actually not bad. It's just I'm so afraid of that front bumper. So now that I'm at a light, both paddles towards you, put you in neutral. I almost have to breathe. Like, wow. God! What on earth? You can tell at low speeds, it's not what it's designed for. Actually, you know what? You just do this. You can see up over the windshield. Look at the light like that. That's actually perfect. It's not designed for low speed driving. It really isn't. It's all supposed to be fun track driving that this thing is just an animal for. But there is something so special about driving this around town. It's just, and the amount of looks you get too, it's awesome. I wouldn't trade this experience for the world. You know, it's amazing because the car that made me start my YouTube channel was a 2010 LP560 Spyder. That car, when I drove that, there's no video of it, but I said I want to drive as many cars as possible and film it each and every time. So it's amazing to come back to this now, you know, almost 6,000 subscribers later. It's just, there's a pleasing circularity to it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one.